The iMac is one of Apple's most popular products, and the next generation is sure to be a hit. With rumors of a powerful new M3 chip, a stunning 24-inch 4K display, and a variety of ports, the next iMac is shaping up to be a dream machine for consumers and professionals alike. One of the most exciting things about the next iMac is the rumored M3 chip. The M3 is expected to be a significant improvement over the M1 chip, offering up to 20% faster CPU performance and up to 30% faster graphics performance. This would make the iMac a great choice for demanding tasks like video editing and gaming. The next iMac is also rumored to have a stunning 24-inch 4K display. The display is also rumored to support ProMotion, which would allow for a variable refresh rate up to 120 Hz. This would make the iMac a great choice for gaming and video editing, as it would provide a smoother and more responsive experience. In addition to the M3 chip and the 24-inch 4K display, the next iMac is also rumored to have a variety of ports. This would make it a more versatile machine for connecting external devices. The iMac is expected to have 4 USB-C ports, 2 Thunderbolt ports, and an SD card reader. Finally, the next iMac is rumored to start at around $1,299. This would make it a more affordable option than the current iMac Pro, which starts at $4,999. Overall, the next iMac is shaping up to be a powerful and versatile machine that is perfect for a variety of tasks. With the M3 chip, a 24-inch 4K display, and a variety of ports, the iMac is sure to be a hit with consumers and professionals alike. In addition to the rumored features mentioned above, there have also been some speculation that Apple may introduce a new iMac Pro model in 2023. The iMac Pro would be a more powerful and expensive version of the iMac, aimed at professional users. The iMac Pro is rumored to have a larger display, more ports, and a more powerful processor than the regular iMac. However, it is still unclear if or when Apple will release an iMac Pro. We will have to wait and see what Apple announces officially, but the next iMac is shaping up to be a great machine. It will be interesting to see how it compares to the current iMac and the iMac Pro. Here are some of the benefits of the next iMac 2023. Powerful performance. The M3 chip is expected to offer significant performance improvements over the M1 chip, making the iMac a great choice for demanding tasks like video editing and gaming. Stunning display. The 24-inch 4K display is rumored to be stunning, with support for ProMotion for a smoother and more responsive experience. Versatile ports. The variety of ports will make the iMac more versatile for connecting external devices. Affordable price. The starting price of $1,299 is more affordable than the current iMac Pro, making it a more accessible option for consumers. Overall, the next iMac 2023 is shaping up to be a great machine that is perfect for a variety of tasks. It will be interesting to see how it compares to the current iMac and the iMac Pro when it is released. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks again for watching.